this week to give you guys updates on Frontend week.
Web3 Frontend is similar to regular Web2 Frontend in that we use the same technologies, React, Vue, and the like.
A dApp is a decentralized application, and this particular decentralized application has as its structure the front end and then the smart contract serving as the back end.
What makes Web3 Frontend different from Web2 Frontend is how it connects to the back end. So in Web3, we make use of the blockchain, right? And instead of performing CRUD operations or making use of like GraphQL to make requests to the back end, we make use of contract ABIs and contract addresses.
Before we can interact with the smart contract using the front end, we need a toolkit. Well, there are many kinds of toolkits you can use for that. There's Rainbow Kit, there's Wallet Connect, and so on. A number of things made front end a little different from traditional front end here in Web3. One was the fact that because we don't have the typical account creations, right? We use things that are called providers and signers. So basically, a signer is something that helps users sign transactions, something like your Connect wallet, like your MetaMask, and a provider is basically an interface that allows people in communicate with the blockchain. We have libraries like Web3.js, like ethers.js, and so on.
In our dApp, we made use of event to listen to events being emitted when if there's an interaction.
If you're interacting with your front end, you need your ABI, you need your URL, your RPC URL, and some other things. And to be able to even connect to a specific network, you need the specific chain ID you want to connect to, or a range of chain IDs you want to switch in between. And this is the reason why on every front-end website that has to do with Web3 or Web3 associated, you notice a connect button. Once you click it, it pops up a modal to sign a transaction, to probably change your network or do something. That is where you are connecting your button, is initiating a button connect, and from there we'll get the ABI of the smart contract, so for us to be able to interact directly with the functions embedded in the smart contract.
This wallet connection actually helps to identify who is actually connected to this particular dApp. Now, for us to actually read data from the smart contract, we need the JSON RPC, which actually does not require signing of transactions.
Redux multi-core, which is used to request for a lot of data from the blockchain at once and delivers it to the front end.
If you use multi-core, you can just bash all those calls to those addresses into one call, which is called like a multi-core. So you just use the multi-core address, passing all those addresses that you want to pass into it. Then you call the function at once, instead of like calling the balance of function in like hundreds of addresses.
Connecting your front-end application to your front-end libraries to the blockchain, right? We use something that is called the ABIs, right? Every contract that has been deployed onto the blockchain has something that is called an ABI, and that ABI helps us create an instance of that particular contract on our front end and interact with it by the use of what I just said, providers and signers.